Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm continuing with my Cararama series of videos, and today I'm gonna show you this cool Mini Cooper convertible. The exterior color is very unique and it also has a matching two-tone interior color. And now let me take it out of the box. Let me take it off the stand. The Mini Cooper is really cool. The wheels are very nice and there are a lot of nice little details that make this model very good. Let me start showing you them. First, let's start with the front. As you can see, the headlights are very detailed, and around them they have nice chrome rings. Also, the grille is nice detail made out of chrome as well. We got a cool license plate and also the very nicely made emblem. So the front end really looks good. As you can see from this angle, we got antenna on the top of the windshield and also windshield wipers and some diffusers right next to them. What we can see on the side is a nice little grill on the fender, as well as a turn signal. Also the silver trim that goes around the windshield and then around the whole convertible. The mirrors are two-tone though, that they're really nicely made, and as you can see, the whole car is two-tone, so they really put some good details on this model. I like it a lot. Continuing towards the back of the car, you can see the convertible top being down and showing as a nice detail over there. Also the rear headrests and the anti-roll bars, I believe. Also you can see the interior mirror from this angle, and the tail lights. The tail lights are made nicely as well, and they also, like the headlights, have the chrome rings around them. There are a lot of details at the back of the Mini as well, as the tail lights, as mentioned. Also you got the Mini Cooper Mini emblem. You got the license plate. You can even see the holders for the tailgate on the left and right side. Also you got a third brake light. Just a lot of details. Getting to this side of the Mini, you can see the fuel cap. Also the door handles are silver. You got even the emblems on the caps, the center caps of the rims. So now let's continue with the video so you can see more nice details about the Mini. I'll show you the interior. As mentioned earlier, the interior is two-tone, the same as the exterior. You can see the center console, the gauges, steering wheel, gear shifter. I mean, everything is very nicely detailed. Okay everyone, so this is gonna be the end of my Mini Cooper convertible video. If you haven't subscribed, you can do so. And this way you're gonna keep up with the new videos that I'm posting. Also, if you're looking to buy this cool Mini, I'll leave a link for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.